welcome back to Mapleberry Farm. Alright, so I'm going to show you the roof here. So last night we had a major thunderstorm, but I found out about it about 10 minutes before it came. So we just drove this up here real quick and it held up. So that was awesome. Kept the floor from getting any more wet. Now I got to go up and tear it off because I have to finish the strapping across the trusses, but what do you know, it held up. So, you know, there was a few holes here and there, but look at that. Whoop. Held up. There's a little bit of water here, but other than that, there's just a few spots here and there where it leaked through the holy tarp. Other than that, it's all dry. So, that's awesome. So, you see I don't have the strapping through this one yet. I'm gonna do that. Alright, so just getting this set up for the strapping. Just setting a nail on here, and then I'll set the board on here. Over to the other nails. Over to the other nails I got on this far piece here. And then I'll just set them there, and then I'll nail them in place. So they're 16-foot 2x4s, and these are every 16 inches. And that's what the metal will set on. Just like you see over there. So, yeah, things are coming along great. So if you're new here, like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and we'll see you. Something else I want to say, I just can't remember. See you in the next one.